In this video, I'll detail how to enable handoff on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to easily pick up whatever you are doing on your Apple Watch on your iPhone, then you need to sign in with the same Apple ID and then enable handoff on your Apple Watch. So if you're done with this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable handoff on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the two crown to exit the watch face. Then on the app menu or app library, all you just need to do is come here and click on the settings icon. Then one on the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Once you've selected general, just scroll through the general page. Keep scrolling until you get to handoff. Then click on that. Then you should see handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on other device using iCloud account. So all you just need to do to use handoff on all your Apple devices is sign in with the same iCloud account, and once that's done, come here, enable handoff. Then with this, you'll be able to continue with the same assignment on your Apple Watch on any other Apple devices with the same iCloud account. So if you found this informative and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.